How to change your browser from Internet Explorer to Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Apps, then go to Default Apps. Here, you'll see the option Choose Default Apps. Click on it. Now look for more options and select Google Chrome as your default browser. After that, scroll down and click on Choose Default Apps by Protocol. Now scroll down again and find HTTP and HTTPS. Click on each one and make sure Google Chrome is selected as the default. These are important because most web links use these protocols. Once you've set both of them to Chrome, you're all done. Now, whenever you click on a link, it will automatically open in Google Chrome. That's it. Your default browser has now been changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.